welcome to this channel. My name is Cieramichellepr. If you're new here, go ahead and thumbs up and subscribe before the video starts because this will be a very informative and just aesthetically pleasing video. I pretty much on my channel produce lifestyle content, routine, self-care vibes, and just motivation, self-care motivational type of videos. So if you like that, you're in the right place. And let's get straight into it.
Michelle TV, subscribe and like, please.
So I want to start off by just saying that when it comes to shaving, it's one of those TMI topics that you pretty much trial and error when it comes to shaving. For me anyways, it's like I had to experience and then like figure out what was best for me. So what works for me may not be what works for you, and if you have any tips or tricks, please leave them down below in the comments, because like I said, I'm always learning and it'd be like a trial and error type of thing for me. So when I learn things, I like to share my content, share the knowledge. So when I learn things, I just produce content and make videos to help somebody out there that probably didn't know it or probably just need a little more like motivation to start like taking care of yourself. So when it comes to shaving is a task. With me, I like to delegate like a specific time on my calendar to shave because I don't shave on the regular. For me, I have sensitive skin and I just don't like to experience too much shaving because it irritates my skin, and also I just feel like I need my hair to grow back. I need those ingrowns to heal and to go away. And I also just feel like shaving repeatedly just makes my skin, personally, it just makes my skin irritated. Even if I take all the precautions I can take, I just don't like shaving all the time. So about twice a month is pretty much my ideal shaving range. So when it comes to my shaving routine, I am just simply showing you guys my products, and I want to show you guys the products I use in order. So then when I get into the shower, I definitely will cleanse my body, get a good lather, rinse, and do the same thing until I feel like I'm super clean and I feel like my pores are open. Once I clean and shower and rinse, I actually like to go into into scrubbing. I feel like scrubbing is just necessary to help open up your follicles and just really get your skin stimulated. So when it comes to shaving and using a razor, you're not just shaving over like the skin and the hair cells that aren't really open. So what I like to use for scrubbing, I don't like using anything that's super rough. I'm sensitive, I got sensitive skin. I don't like using rough scrubs. Like that's just not the it thing. So I love this raw sugar scrub, and this is in the scent raw coconut and mango. I love this because it's super, it smells so good. It's made like from like real ingredients, and I feel like it's just super like, it's like you can use this on an everyday basis without stripping your skin. I hate the feeling of something stripping my skin and making my skin really irritable. And I feel like apricot scrubs used to do that a lot. So this is by raw sugar, and I love it. I also have two other alternatives. So this is by Dove, and this is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. I love this because, and this is almost empty. I just got probably about two more uses out of this Dove, and it's done with. I love this Dove body polish because literally it exfoliates, it nourishes, and it also moisturizes. I love this. If you don't already have it, it's super affordable. You can buy this at pretty much every convenience store, your local Walmart or Target. You can try some dollar stores, but this is super convenient and friendly, like price friendly. So check them out. Okay, so first things first, when it comes to my shaving routine, I love using Truly Beauty's razor, and this is not sponsored. I just had a like collab with them, and then when I used their razor, I was just like, oh, y'all onto something. Like their razor is not like cheaply made. This is like, I feel like it's probably aluminum or steel, but it feels so good And then the razors on there are just like doubled razored, and I feel like it just glides on my skin so well. You can use whatever shaver you want, but I'll just say, like, don't be sticking with the cheaper shavers. When it comes to your shaving routine and when it comes to your body care, I feel like sometimes you just need to get something that's a little bit more out of your price range if you want to have a better, more pleasant experience. I noticed that when I buy the cheapest razors possible, I would have so many ingrown hairs, I would have irritation, and just my shaving experience was never good. Like, I would rather use Nair than to shave. When it comes to actually shaving, I know Truly Beauty has a shaving butter that they use, and I love it, and I literally ran out of it. Now I've been using the Avveno therapeutic shave gel, and this helps prevent razor bumps, and it is soothing for sensitive skin. I love this product, and I'm still getting used to it, so I can't tell you guys that it's better than the other, but both of these products are good for your shaving routine and just establishing a good routine where you're not going to be too irritable, and you know you're going to do what you need to do and be hairless and just be happy and not have too much discomfort. So once you shave and you use your shaving butter or you use your shaving gel, I like to dry off, and I pat myself dry, and then I go in with my oils. I like to use oils and lotions and butters in conjunction. My skin is one of those types where I will moisturize and then I get outside and my skin is back dry. So I like to lock in my moisture with oils and with butters, and sometimes with lotions. I love this Blueberry Kush body oil. This is super therapeutic, super relaxing, and I feel like it just makes my muscles relieved once I get ready after my shower routine and I'm putting my clothes on. I just feel like I'm literally relaxed after using this, and I have to re-up on this, so definitely go grab you some. Also, another product I have to re-up on is this Cocoa Kaleido Shea Butter by Tree Hut. This is super affordable. You can find this at your local convenience stores, your local Walmarts, Targets. Tree Hut is everywhere. I love their brand. I also love their scrubs, but it's not something I reach for. I actually reach for the butter more than I reach for the scrub. That's why it's not in this video, because I wanted to be honest with you guys. I really do love this product, and it's another one I'm gonna have to re-up on. Say another thing you can do on a even more affordable tip is to get you some petroleum jelly. For the wintertime, I love petroleum jelly because I feel like if that's not going to moisturize you and keep your skin protected when you go out in those like cold conditions, I don't know what will. Thank you guys for making it to the end of today's video. As always, stay dope, stay beautiful, and stay uplifted. I will see you guys in my next upload. So if you haven't already, subscribe, thumbs up, and share this video with your girls. Let them know that there is a shaving routine that is very beneficial, okay? No ingrowns, self-care, self-love, and we're just learning how to take care of ourselves. So if you have any tips or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Be nice. I love constructive criticism, and keep it cute. As always, stay dope, stay uplifted, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Suck.